Hello everyone! Today I'm here to tell you all guys about the importance of agriculture in our life and also cook a healthy delicious dish. Yes, you heard it right, healthy delicious dish. So I'm very excited for it. And what does this dish contain? It contains all the nutritional values which are very important, like fiber, vitamins, proteins and many more. Guys, I do know that there must be two questions striking in your mind. Let me tell you the first one. It will be, what is agriculture and its definition? Yes, so let me answer you. Agriculture is a primary activity which produces most of its food products as a raw material for many industries. Now the second way of defining will be, the agriculture is nothing but the art and science of cultivating soil and also growing the crops. Yes, so this was your first question and I know the second question will be, what am I going to do? Well, that's a very good question. So let me tell you what am I going to do. The recipe, the name of the recipe is wheat rava upma. So guys, I'm really simply very excited to cook the food, and I hope even you guys are also excited to watch and also try it in your homes. Welcome to the kitchen. So let's get started with this delicious recipe. So first thing we're going to do is switch on the stove. And the next thing we're going to add some oil. We have to wait till 5 minutes till the oil gets heated. So as soon as the oil gets heated, we're going to add a few mustard seeds into it. The next thing we're going to add is cumin seeds. Then we are going to lower the flame. Then we are going to add some curry leaves into it. The next thing we are going to add is some chilies. The next thing we are going to add are few chopped onions, and after that we are going to add a few vegetables. As you can see here, even they contain many nutritional values which are very important for our health. So first we are going to add a few freshly chopped onions. And then let's fry it. So here the next thing we're going to add is freshly chopped carrots. And let's fry it. Next thing we're going to add are a few tomatoes. The next thing we are going to add are a few peas. And the next thing we are going to do is put off the lid. So as I have used here wheat rava, this contains whole fiber which is very important for our health. This is the small amount I have taken. You can take your desired amount. And I have also taken some coriander leaves which also has many nutritional values. Let's wait for. Let's put off the lid. As you all can see, all the vegetables and everything are being fried. So here are our vegetables ready, and then next thing what we are going to do is add the water. So let me tell you the measuring capacity all about. So this is the cup. For 1 cup of wheat rava, I am going to add 4 cups of water. So first let us add some water. Let us wait until it is still. As you all can see, the water has started boiling over here. When the water starts boiling, let's add some salt into it. Let's mix it over. Now it's time to add our main ingredient, wheat rava. So as I said, its nutritional values and it's amazing. Let's slowly add into it. Let's mix it. For cooking purpose, let's put off the lid for now. Have to just wait until it starts cooking, and then we are going to have our final step. So as you can see guys, let me reveal off the look, and it's ready. So the final step is, let's mix it for once so that all the vegetables are wet. And then we're going to finish it by garnishing with the coriander leaves. And that is all over, guys. You can enjoy this delicious recipe and also have it in your any diet or on any day, any meal. So you all can see, as I said, the nutritional values are amazing. And then let's serve it. Our delicious recipe is into the serving bowl and it looks superb, amazing. One of the healthy diet you can have any time, and it's awesome. Yes, you can see.